Hello, Doggers crew, and welcome back to another edition of Teacher Talks Dogman. Hey, let's dive into the future. Let's talk about Dogman for whom the ball rolls. What do we know so far? So, the book is not out yet. The book does not come out until kind of the end of summer. However, we have been able to collect some evidence, and if you've been watching Teacher Talks and the new channel here, Teacher Talks Dogman, you know that we've talked a little bit about the book covers. Which one is it? Do you remember? We'll talk about that. We even got a little bit of a sneak peek here, just a little bit, but we'll talk about that. And maybe even talk just a little bit about the progression of these book covers, all made by Dave Pilkey, by the way. This is not anything I'm doing. We can talk about that a little bit. Also, I was thinking we could go back to the very, very end of Man Brawl the Wild and refresh our memory on what happened last so that we can talk about what's going to happen in the future with Man Brawl the Wild. So, very, very cool video, guys. Sit back, relax. You're going to enjoy this one. At the end of the video, I'm going to do a lot of shout-outs. So basically, I'm going to go back to the last video, talk about those shout-outs. There's also some special people that are going to get some thank yous. And what'd you think of that intro? Now, I put both intros there, so I know if that's a little bit confusing, I did that. But I'm just so happy and excited to see some of our Doggers crew coming in with their own material. So if you have something that's a strength for you, some kind of creative thing you can do to add to the channel, I'm always willing to give you a go on that. Look at that guy right there by Javen. So cool. Maybe I'll have to get a bunch of clipboards and we'll put up some more of his work and other people's work as well. Okay, so with no further ado, let's dive into the very, very end and just talk for a minute about Man Brawl the Wild. And then I will show you what I know so far about Dogman for whom the ball rolls. And we'll talk again about those book covers and we'll dive in deep. Okay, so here's the very end of Brawl the Wild. And if you remember, it ended and then Dave Pilkey did something I really like. And of course, he spun it in a fun way. This kind of looks like how we get our news today, at least as parents, right? This is a depiction of a cell phone. And there it is right there talking about the Sarah Hadoff news blog. And it says right here, Super Buddies saved the day. So it kind of talks about how they saved the day. It says the fleas, where are they now? That's pretty interesting. Now, don't forget that Petey the cat ended up in jail, correct? So it says right here that I just don't know what happened to them, said Petey the cat as he scratched himself inside his jail cell this morning, which is kind of funny too because they're talking about the fleas missing. And there's Petey the cat, he's itching. Where do you think the fleas are? Maybe he has company. So it talks about those hero dogs find forever homes. That was kind of cool. Comeuppance. That was really a funny part too. And then Dogman is go. And this is really funny. I love the way that the fingers are covering up part of the words here. Let's read it real quick. Reports are pouring in about the all-new Dogman adventure that is coming our way. It will be available soon, but you should start begging your parents, librarian, and or bookseller about it now, just to be safe. The title of the book is Top Secret, can now be revealed in this exclusive scoop. The new book will be called Dogman and the Fingers in the Way. We can't see it. Isn't that funny? You heard it here first. Now, that was really pretty funny, but a little bit of time has passed, and now we do know the name of that title, right? So there it is right there, Dogman for whom the ball rolls. And I've got two of these guys here. Let's use this one right here. And then we also have, again, some of those alternative book covers. I'll tell you what, let's hold on for just a second, though, and we'll talk about those book covers in just a moment. But let's refresh our memory here. So Super Buddies kind of saved the day here, and Petey the cat ends up at the end of Brawl the Wild in jail. Okay, so what else do we know about Dogman for whom the ball rolls? Well, we know we can go purchase it right now. Now, be careful. Purchase it. You can pay for it and pre-order it. Right? So can you go and buy it and put it in your hands and read the book? No, not yet. But you can purchase it. And that way, when the date does come, August 13th, I believe, then it'll be in the mail and you'll get it as soon as you possibly can. So that's good to know. We also know that it looks like it's being sold for somewhere around $9 to $10, which is pretty nice. And there it is. It says the title will be released on August 13th. Okay, we do have a product description for this book, and it says How with Laughter with Dogman, the internationally best-selling series from Dave Pilkey, the creator of Captain Underpants. The Super Buddies have been working hard to help Dogman overcome his bad habits. But when his obsession turns to fears, Dogman finds himself the target of an all-new supervillain. Meanwhile, Petey the cat has been released from jail and starts a new life with little Petey. But when Petey's own father arrives, Petey must face his past to understand the difference between being good and doing good. Interesting, deep here. Okay, so what else do we know about Dogman for whom the ball rolls? Well, we know that right there, you're looking at the cover. That is it. We know that Dave Pilkey drew that, and we do know that the color art is by Jose Garibaldi. Hopefully I'm saying his name right. What else do we know? Well, we know that Dave didn't just come up with this as the cover instantly. In other words, it was a progression for him. So if we kind of work our way this way, I believe this is the progression right here. So the original sort of beginning stages of Dave Pilkey coming up with what the cover would be for this book looked more like this guy here. And then he actually obviously felt pretty strong enough that he had Jose Garibaldi, I believe, work with him and bring it to life with this color right here. And I really like that cover right there. I don't know which one I like better. I think I like them both, but I think that one's pretty awesome. I like the colors. So we know that Dave or his team or somehow they decided that that one is really good, but not quite exactly what they wanted to go for. So we know that they've kind of moved forward here. Now I took some liberty of kind of guessing which one comes first, whether it's this guy here or whether it was this guy here, which one kind of came first. I was thinking that it probably went here, right, for whom the ball rolls. You see the giant ball behind him, and then it probably went to here. And the reason I did that is that the background here kind of continues and evolves as we go on. So it seems to me like that would be the next logical step. And then it looks like Dave decided, okay, I like the direction we're going. Let's change a little bit here. You can see one of the big changes here is the capes went a different style of cape, and I definitely think he made the right call on that. Now it also changes up because look at the main characters here, right? So you got Dogman, Little Petey, and Petey the cat in there. And then as he progressed on, Dave decided to take Petey the cat out of there. And then as he progressed on, I feel like the capes went from like kind of cool to super cool to really, really awesome. I think the final one that Dave went with here is really, really cool. So that looks like the final one to me. Of course, that's without color. And then it looks like they went on and said, all right, let's color this in. And I'm assuming Jose Garibaldi is the one who came in here and did that final color for it. So pretty amazing. But check this out. When you actually get this one, and let's move it over here next to the other one that they decided to do in color. I mean, it's a close call, at least in my mind, you know? I mean, if you guys want to, you can kind of vote. Like, I don't know, put a 1 down below for this first one here, and maybe a 2 for this one here. But it's kind of a mute subject in that I do believe Dogman for whom the ball rolls is this cover right here. That is it. But always kind of fun to see that. And it really reminds me of like when we're in the classroom and teachers are asking you, you know, edit and revise your work. And it reminds me that, you know, even professionals like Dave Pilkey is revising his work, right? He doesn't just come up with one cover and say, hey, that's done, I'm out of here, right? He's like, okay, I did this one, I worked hard on it, take a deep breath, take a break, come back the next day, take it to the next level. Okay, this one's pretty awesome. Let's have it evolve and work a little bit different. And it reminds me of when I ask those students, hey, go back, rethink it, see if you can make it go from good to great. And you can see that Dave has really done that. And again, I think the final product is absolutely amazing. And sometimes with revising too, you know, you change things and you go back and say, hey, maybe I want to put something else back in or take something out that I wasn't thinking about. But looks like both of those covers are pretty awesome to me. Okay, so what else do we know about Dogman Brawl the Wild? Excuse me, not Brawl the Wild. Dogman for whom the ball rolls. Come on, Teacher Talks. Okay, so Dave also gave us just a little sneak peek. There's not much to work with here, but hey, it's kind of fun, right? We'll take any sneak peek we can get. By the way, if you look on iBooks, sometimes they do give you a little bit of a sneak peek on there as to just a few pages of upcoming books. So if any of you guys see that before I do, make sure that you send me a message in the notes of one of these videos. All right, so let's see what we got here. I'm so proud of you, Petey. And then it says, you're a hero down here, right? I don't know, is Petey the cat enjoying that hug? And then up here he says, cut it out, Big Jim. Heroes don't snuggle. Sorry, Petey. So that's kind of fun there. Obviously, you know, at some level, Big Jim is going to be a character in this book. Exactly how much he's going to be in there, well, we don't really know that quite yet. But hey, guys, I hope you enjoyed this kind of the end of Brawl of the Wild, the beginning in what we know of Dogman for whom the ball rolls. And are you ready for some shout-outs? Hey, all you regulars out there that keep leaving these awesome, kind comments, I can't tell you how proud of you I am. because a format like this, I see an awful lot of people when I look on YouTube that are kind of mean to each other, and I really don't like it at all. But this channel has evolved into something really special, and I see the kind comments that you guys are putting down there. Let's keep it up. All right, no further ado. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Shout outs and comments coming your way now. Okay, first up, Reagan Kennedy. Thanks for chiming in again, Reagan. Always nice to hear from you. I'm a fan of Teacher Talks and Teacher Talks Dogman. Hey, I sure appreciate that. Don't forget, guys, this channel here, Teacher Talks Dogman, is going to be Dogman everywhere all the time. However, Teacher Talks is still going to work just the exact same. In fact, if you've been a subscriber and you're hit that bell, you know that I just dropped a couple videos yesterday, and they're pretty good ones, right? One was the new Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Diary of an Awesome Friendly Kid, which you guys have been asking for, and also I have a Star Wars on there for May the 4th be with you, so you can check those out too. I appreciate it. Reagan Kennedy comes in again and says, I can't go to Dogman the Musical because I don't live in NYC, New York City. I hear ya. Me neither. It's all the way, it's way far away from me too. Here's Wanley Wan Kindly Kayan saying, I can't wait to buy all the series of Dogman. I love those books. I hear you, and if you're a fan of this channel, I think we're all nodding our head right now saying, we hear you, Wanley. Yep, Dogman rules. Okay, here's Patricia Romero saying, Dogman Brawl of the Wild is here. Brawl of the Wild, there are 11 chapters. I done reading that 8 hours. Okay, not quite sure where we're going there, but very cool. All right, we'll take it. Son Guko says at 17 minutes, he was telling a joke about it being Dogman 3 instead of Dogman 8. Okay, sorry I missed you on that one. Anyway, nice to hear from you. Nice to see from you. Very cool. Here's Starlight 6 Ready. I love Dogman, and I'm getting the next book after Brawl of the Wild. Can you, when you get the book, read chapter 1 and do chapter 2 in another video? Please, please, please. I'll tell you what, I will read the front and back of the book, and I will read probably chapter 1, maybe chapter 2, depending on how far it goes. But I don't want to read the whole book to you guys. I want you taking care of that. But I do want to read enough that you can get a good feel for the book and decide if it's a good fit for you or not. And if you're like this channel, it's probably a good fit for you. Okay, here's Rosa Regalado saying, these also at Barnes & Noble's Dogman content. Yeah, they do have some at Barnes & Noble's that have some exclusive content. You're absolutely right. And I've been looking there, and I haven't had really great luck looking there lately, but I do have that on my radar, and I appreciate it. Here's Reagan Kennedy saying, I love Dogman still. Good. All right. Glad to still have you on board. Here's FNAF fan saying, Dogman Brawl of the Wild is my favorite book. I hear ya. It's a great series. Let's see here. Oh, you're saying Brawl of the Wild is your favorite book. I got you. Not just the whole series, but you like Brawl of the Wild. That's cool. We could have a little, you know what? That would be a fun voting thing. Is which is your favorite, right? Book 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would be really cool. We'll have to maybe see if we can get that together. Let me know in the comments. Do you guys want to do a voting for which is your favorite? Okay, Alberto Lozada says, do Diary of an Awesome Friendly Kid book, pretty please. You got it. It's there. Look over on Teacher Talks and you'll see it. All right, here we have Casey Morales, which isn't Casey. It's Devin, I believe. Let's see if Teacher Talks memory is right. Okay, that's okay. There it is, right there. Devin M. Oh, I had it right before I even looked. Okay, very cool. I'm the best. You know what? You're awesome too. So cheers to us. Okay, Devin Morales next says, also there are shout outs. You do the best. We love your videos. Okay, very cool. Well, I'm glad that you're enjoying the videos, and you do deserve a shout out because I do see kind comments coming from you. All right, here's Prince Guadam saying, I'll give that Dogman musical a 10 out of 10. Very cool. Jerry Smith says, you should just buy the Barnes & Noble's exclusives. Again, I've been looking for those, and I know that there was originally one that came with like a cool color poster, but I can't get my hands on it. If you know how to get your hands on it, let me know. Put down in the comments below, and I'll check it out and purchase it if it makes sense. Reagan Kennedy again saying, I got the full book, Dogman Bookman collection. Okay, very cool. And here's Brody Wall 15. Good to see you, my friend. Says, let's hope that the musical leads to a Dogman movie. Very cool. That would be awesome as well. I'm hoping that the musical is such a big hit. It's so popular that they spread it out to like the big cities in multiple states. That would be really cool too. Okay, I live near a store that has Indigo books. Indigo is where I got some of those exclusive Dogman books. So good for you. Maybe you can do a little shopping and check it out for us. You don't have to buy them for the channel, but I'm saying that maybe you can just tell us what kind of exclusive stuff they have. I can see what they have on the website, but I'm not sure if the stuff in the store is even more awesome. Okay, here's Albert Lozada saying, shout me out pretty please. I am going to shout you out right now, Albert, but I do want to tell you this. If you know this channel, you're probably thinking the same thing I am. You got to earn your shout outs on this channel. So I'll give you that one for free, my friend. However, how do you do it in the future? You put nice, kind comments. You can give the video a nice, kind comment. You can give me a nice, kind comment, or even better, you can comment somebody else here who's already commenting. And you can either add on or reply to them or agree with them, or even better, kindly disagree with them. That's just as important to learn, guys. Okay, Reagan Kennedy says, I love Dogman. Nice. Reagan Kennedy's getting in here a few times. Drew McCool, good to see you, Drew McCool, says, love the intro. Okay, very cool. And again, on this video you just watched right now, you can kind of think what you thought of that. And by the way, we have our new outro by Javen that's going to be at the end of this video. Ooh, I almost forgot. I'm glad that I was reminded of it. Okay, here's Albert coming in again saying, go to Elaine at, well, all right, I'm probably not going to plug other things. I mean, you guys can go there if you want. I haven't gone there first to see it, so I can't say if it's a good call or not. However, here's Alkia Hero. I probably said that wrong. Sorry about that. Coolest Dogman news channel out there. Hey, I like that. And you know what? Lately, at least, we've evolved kind of into a news channel, and I kind of like that. I like the way that rings, right? Very, very cool. All right, good to see you, hear you, and have you chime in. And here we have Frederick Tube says, I love Dogman and this channel. Thank you so much. You earned your heart. You earned your thumbs up. Thank you. Ryan Story Review says, hi, I'm back, and I'm a big fan. Keep up the good work. I sure do appreciate it. And it looks like Reagan Kennedy replied to him and said, awesome. And Reagan, you're getting a lot of hearts today, aren't you? Nice job. You're collecting them up. Here's Alex World saying, nice video and drawing. I liked. Very cool. Thank you. And Gage Cordic Gaming says, still like the intro. Very cool. And it's fun. And I know I challenged Javen in the last one, and he stepped up to the plate and made the intro of this one. If you noticed, it's nicer, crisper, a little bit longer. And you're going to see the outro is much nicer, crisper, and better. And I'll tell you, one thing I've done is I've made about 250, 270 videos on YouTube. And I can tell I'm getting a tiny little bit better each time, or at least, you know, over time I've evolved and gotten a little bit better. And I can see that Javen is in the same boat. He's getting a little bit better every time he posts something. Very cool. And he's got a really cool YouTube channel too, so you should go check his out. And I've checked out the content. It's all very user-friendly, awesome, fun, funny stuff. He's a funny kid. All right, Alberto Lozada saying, I have some of the Dogman books. Very cool. I hope you're enjoying them. Oh, there he is right there. Javen Tube saying, I can't go to the Dogman musical because I live all the way in California. And someone replied to that and said, here's Adrian Lego Cool says, me too. I live in California too. Very cool. And both of you guys getting hearts and thumbs up for that. So good to see you on there, Javen. Hope you're enjoying this video, my friend. Here's Alex World saying, cool. I have 5 books. I just need Dogman Lord of the Fleas. All right, yeah, that's a great one, you know. Try to get your hands on it, or if you don't have the funds, you don't have the money, you could always check it out at your local library and give it a read. Here's Talon saying, we email our teachers at work and school, and he's saying that because, okay, it is much easier to do on the weekend, and your teacher gets your stuff a lot faster. And he's absolutely right. So what Talon is saying is, in my last video, I explained that I don't want you guys emailing me. And the reason is it's a one-on-one communication. And I don't think kids and adults should have a one-on-one communication. Does that make sense, you guys? So as a teacher, my own kids in my classroom email me projects. That's true. But it's kind of a public email, which I encourage their parents to be watching, and my whole school and school district sees every single email that comes and goes. So it's a little bit different than like a private email. So anyway, guys, I am going to stick to that and say, please don't email me. However, if you have something you want to send me, Talon, put it up and upload it onto your channel, and then just send me the link. And you can do that in the comments here, and then I'll go over, check out your stuff, and see if it's a good fit. All right, thank you. And I can tell by your comments that you're a good strategic thinker. So thank you very much. I hope you're enjoying the channel. Reagan Kennedy comes in again. Another heart for her. She says, I can't wait for Dogman for whom the ball rolls. I hear ya, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, because we kind of dove in deep to Dogman for whom the ball rolls. So hopefully you're smiling with that. Jordan Webb says, I just want to let Teacher Talks that know my channel, Dogman, wait, sorry, I'm going to start this over. I just want to let you know, Teacher Talks, that my comment saying Dogman, the musical, is go. They didn't make no sense, but we like it. I was just making my own quote that's based on the quote of the books. Dogman is go. And you know what? I realized what you were doing, having a little bit of fun with that language. But as I was reading it and kind of going fast, I didn't pick up on it. So Jordan Webb, you're absolutely right. And I do think it's pretty funny that you did that, and pretty, what do I want to say here? You know, pretty thoughtful and pretty cool. So good job. All right, Cooper plays games that you suggest, says exclusive books. You're liking the exclusive books. Okay, I'll work on those some more, and I do have a few more of those, so that's a good way to let me know. And by the way, if you like those exclusive books, what you can do is just give him a thumbs up, Cooper plays games that you suggest, and then I'll know that more and more people want those exclusive books. Albert Lozada says, please shout me out. Now, again, I am going to shout you out, but remember, kind comments get you a shout out, all right? Reagan Kennedy says, can you make a Dogman movie? Can I make the movie? No, I'm not going to make the movie. However, you guys out there might be able to make the movie, but no, not me. And then we have Leo Ruiz saying, great video. Thank you, Leo Ruiz. And yay, I got your name right. And here's Elena Lopez saying, nice. And I'm going to give a heart and a thumbs up. Very, very cool. All right, guys, listen, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, leave those kind words down there in the comments. Earn those shout outs with kindness. It's not hard. Now, what is challenging is if you find somebody else's comment you don't agree with, how can you reply to them and not hurt their feelings, not be mean, but explain how maybe you're thinking a little bit differently than them in a very kind way. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great week out there. And guess what? Summer is right around the corner. And that means that the next book, Dogman, For Whom the Ball Rolls, is coming out pretty soon. Not real soon, but pretty soon. All right, guys, have a great one. Be nice to mom and dad. Be nice to your siblings. Be nice to grandma, grandpa, whoever you got in your family. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Bye for now.